Hi, my name is Lindsay Thompson, and I'm the Director of Public Affairs for the Canadian Counseling and Psychotherapy Association. Welcome to our quarterly update for the first quarter of 2023. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about the GST-HST campaign. So this all started back in September 2022, and it started with a private members bill and a petition to increase awareness across the country. This petition was from September 15th to January 13th, 2023. We had a total of 14,246 signatures. Wow, that is absolutely incredible. Thank you to all those who took the time to sign the petition and to send a letter out to your MP. On March 6th, the petition was tabled in the House of Commons by MP Lindsay Matheson. What this means now is that the government has 45 days to respond, and then we'll see where we go from there. Other highlights on this campaign include the inclusion of our recommendations for the removal of GST in the House of Commons Standing Committee on Health Report on Children's Mental Health. Following this, myself and President-elect Carrie Foster attended the House of Commons Committee on Health, and we discussed the importance of children's mental health and how the removal of GST and HST can help to achieve parity between professions and may increase access to health services for children and youth. Also, on March 6th, the campaign was adopted by Dr. Stephen Ellis, Member of Parliament for Cumberland-Colchester and Conservatives Shadow Minister for Health. He introduced Bill C-323, which removes tax from mental health services. So stay tuned to see where this goes, but we're really hopeful. Next up, when it comes to third-party billing, we have started to work on a project for benefits consultant outreach. And what we're looking to do here is to educate benefits consultants who work directly with employers to really help employers to better understand the counseling landscape in Canada and to really know what do we want to include, what do we not want to include when it comes to mental health benefits. The aim of this is to have greater inclusion of Canadian certified counselors in non-regulated provinces and the inclusion of all regulated titles in plans and regulated provinces. This will help to reduce barriers for clients to access services and will reduce client-by-client advocacy efforts done by our members. Next up, I'm excited to announce a new partnership with Unsinkable, which is a mental health charity. And so we're partnering with them specifically for their Lamplight Project, which looks at breaking the stigma around therapist mental health. And so CCPA will be hosting Lamplight's panel discussion with a variety of mental health professionals by the project host, Michaela Brewer. And we will be seeing this panel happening on May 15th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. So stay tuned on more info there. You can also check out our social media to view different video interviews that Michaela has had with the different participants to get a sense of what are these different panelists' perspective on when it comes to challenging stigma around therapist mental health and also looking at therapist self-care. So that's right in line with our Counseling and Psychotherapy Month coming up in April, which is also themed therapist self-care. Next, I want to talk about something that I'm also really excited about. So the CCPA has been working on an issue paper highlighting the importance of the Interim Federal Health Program. This is a program that supports the needs of immigrants and refugees. And what this paper looks at is it talks about our recommendations for improvements that can be made to reduce barriers and increase access to mental health services for newcomers. So this has led to a larger discussion on the increasing number of immigrants and refugees coming into the country, and of course their mental health needs, how their needs are being met and unfortunately not met. So we want to know from you, do you currently work with immigrants and refugees? Do you feel competent in this area if you do or you do not? Is this something that you would like more support from with the CCPA head office? So we want to hear from you. Click the link below in the member email to ensure that your voice is heard and to help inform the future direction of CCPA's Immigrant Refugee Mental Health Support Project. Thanks, that's all for today. And of course, you can find my email below if you have any questions or if you're interested in helping out in any way. Thank you, miigwech, merci, chat soon.